On today, guys, it's Build Fanatics back here with you guys for another, well, I wouldn't say build, but yeah, it's a repair video. Today we're going to be taking the spark plugs off this truck. It's a 2001, well, it's actually a 99 truck.
It's a 99 body engine.
With an 01 360 in it. And it's four-wheel drive. And that's about it. It ain't got no dash, normal Dodge. Custom racing stripe, done with chalkboard paint. Yeah. Got some tires in the back, filled with water. There we go. Alright, hold on. I'm going to help him get these tires out. Alright, guys. So, what we got here is an old 5.9 360 with a custom hood latch made out of some makeshift sign stake. But what we got here is a 360. We're gonna take all these plugs out, and then we're gonna take this air filter box off and clean this throttle body. So we're gonna get to that, and then we'll get back with you as soon as we get this box off. Alright, guys, sorry, we got this air box off of here, the air filter and everything. He's over there trying to get it put back together. I think he got it. This is going to be a further project. Maybe, I don't know. We might be getting rid of it. Blew up the tranny in my car the other day, so we might be getting a 74 F100 up in here to work on with the 302 in it. But here's the throttle body. It's kind of dark. Our lights just went kaput on us, I'm guessing. But we're going to take this throttle body off and see what we have here to work with. I can hold that too. I can hold both of them if you want.
Yeah, I was just gonna.
There you go.
Good enough.
So, we're going to get this throttle body off of here. I'm sure it's pretty dirty. Yeah, it's gunked up. So, I'll get back with you guys as soon as we get that off. Oh, them are all loose. I'm like, Oh, this one. Yeah, it's kind of loose. You can tell it burns. Was the ones to do this, because they're all pretty loose. I might just be able to get them all with my fingers real quick. Well, this one, dude, it's all gunked up in there, dude. You can tell it's burning oil. Like, it's burning oil pretty good, it looks like. Alright, so right now we're currently working on this throttle body. What is this, an Elderbrock? It's a Holly, 600 CFM. Should put that on here. That'd be dope. Fucking Holly. Get an Elderbrock on here. Just fucking send it.
Well, if I get rid of the truck, then there's no point.
Yeah.
Put it on the next build.
Put it on a fucking Honda. Honda Civic.
I want to try getting any clips.
Really?
Yep. 99.
Doug broke some of this alternator a long time ago. Trying to get this valve cover off here once whenever it caught on fire. Yes, this truck has caught on fire. No, all this wiring is not factory. But it is a V8. So that's all that matters.
Did he ask if you still had the truck or if I did?
He said, you still got that truck? I said, Braden has it. Why? He's like, is he wanting to sell it? I was like, actually, yes.
I want to trade it, technically. Gonna have to unhook all the wires.
Yeah, no, I'm just looking at something real quick. Real quickly. Damn, I gotta unhook all that shit. Well, this is gonna be a bitch and a half. Let's take this whole intake off. Let's clean this all off today. When's the next place you're gonna time you're gonna need to drive this truck?
I don't know.
You're like, well, I ain't gonna have gas money, so.
I feel like it, Mom.
Did it?
Yep. Pulling into the garage.
Alright, so I say we clean this all fucking up then.
You're the one doing it all. I'm just kind of standing here.
Video it.
Yep.
This build though. Alright guys, so new plan. We're going to clean all this up. We're going to take this intake off right here. And then we're going to pull it. See what that black looks like underneath of it. Dude, I bet it's shiny as fuck. No, there's probably oil leaking everywhere. Fucking spider web. I'm like, oh, bad idea. But, alright, we're going to continue this. I hope that stays there. But, alright, I guess we can take these clips off first. Alright, I guess these clips. How do these fuckers work? Alright, guys, well, we finally got this throttle body off. We got some bad news. We got rusty water in our intake. So, that's not healthy. And this looks like it's chipped off and shit and broken. I'm thinking about I said the next person who gets this truck should just get like a fucking Brock intake. Fucking carb it out. But we're going to get this intake off here and then we'll be back with you guys. So stay tuned, I guess. Guys, today it is Build Fanatics back here with you guys for another build. I wouldn't say so much as a build as a just kind of a repair. We are going to be building this car, but for right now we're just trying to get it back to where it will move at least. The other day I was driving it to go and take it to get it inspected, and it spun a CV axle. And I'll show you guys, but right now it's a little dark in here because my lights aren't kicking on because they're old. Some days they kick on, some days they don't. It just depends how they're feeling, I guess. I don't know. But we got a 1.8T in here with us today, and well, I'll just give you guys a little walk around. How about that? Alright, so it's a 2002. It's not in the best shape. We're working on it though. And it's yeah, right here's the old 99 Dodge that we made a video on the other day, but we never uploaded it because I lost all of it. It deleted somehow or didn't save, I don't know. But we're going to be getting some BBS rims off my old Jetta and putting on right here. Get rid of those stocks, son. And the BBS, they came OEM on some Volkswagens. It matters on the year and the edition. Like this has a Wolfberg's transmission in it. So like I guess it didn't come with them. Heck, I don't know. But we're going to throw a battery in this thing real quick and see if we can't get this thing to at least jump. Like we're going to try getting it started because the battery had died on me, and it's kind of weird that the battery had just died on me. And when I got into looking, and I seen that this computer box that sits on top of this battery had it looked like it had gotten a little melted. So let me show you that real quick. If you look right here, here's this little box I was talking about. And that first one right there, I'm in the light, but it's that first one right there. There, it focused. So I just took it, and it like, I don't know if it's supposed, well, you focus. Focus. See, it just, like, it twists. And the other ones don't do that. So I'm guessing something in there underneath this. Because, like, on the back, it's all just plastic. So I'm guessing something underneath this connects all these together. Focus. Connects all these together. Somehow underneath there, and that just broke off somehow. He said he left it on the charger. So what I did is it was a black wire. I'm guessing it's the starter wire for the ground. So I just hooked it up to my negative cable on here, and I bolted it because I already had a spot. And like these nuts are made onto these wires right here, inside here. The nuts are like built onto it. So it screwed right into this battery cable. So I guess I can try it, see if it works. So let's get this hooked up real quick and we'll check it out. Alright guys, so we got it all hooked up now to the old V8 over there. And if you guys didn't know this little tip, vehicles will get it better, like you can jump vehicles a lot quicker with a V8 because it's pushing more power, more cranking amps. So let's get in the car real quick and we'll check it out. Alright guys, well, we got us some light going on in here. Let's see if we can turn this on. There we go. There we go. How much ampage? Hear that fuel pump. See, it's doing the same thing. Hold on, let's check something out. Alright guys, so after looking at it and checking it out, I determined me hooking up this. Ooh, we got a light on. It's beeping. What's going on? Coolant. It's low on coolant. Alright. Well, that's normal. It was probably running a little hot. So, let me check something out real quick and I'll get right back. Alright, guys. Well, I haven't figured nothing out with this yet. It's still being stupid. It's making me a little angry. So, I'm going to do some research on it. And then we'll be back here shortly with another video, hopefully. I'm going to go ahead and upload this. And maybe you guys can help me out, comment on it or something, maybe. I don't know. But, I don't know what it could be. I mean, obviously it's been burnt. Because look on that box right there. It's been burnt. But, I grounded it even. And I guess it's got to be in that box. So if all else fails, I'll just have to buy a new box for it. But, until then, I'll check you guys later. So, holler.